Hey everybody, it's Delaney here with Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, and today we're going to check out the 2025 Bullitt 336 BBK. Starting off outside, this unit is just shy of 38 feet long. It has an entirely fiberglass exterior and these nice solid steps. It's got your basic pass-through storage here on the door side with those slam lock latches. This unit is equipped with Solar Flex Protect 220, which you will find in the off-door part of the pass-through storage, as well as your exterior shower and convenience center. And a little extra exterior storage is always a great plus. And finally, the most interesting part of the exterior of this unit is the back deck / patio. It's super lightweight and easy to put up or take down. On the inside, starting with the living area, we've got this really nice theater seating. This theater seating comes with a lot of space. You've got that flip-up end table as well as the flip-up little compartments on the armrest. And you've also got a little storage compartment under the theater seating. This is a really nice feature because we all know storage is one of the most useful things when you're camping. On the other side of the living space, we've got this nice sofa and this table that does fold down and move out of the way so that you can open up the ottomans. Guess what? The ottomans also have giant storage, which once again is very important when you're camping. And for all of those who prioritize your sleep, the unit is equipped with these nice blackout roller shades. In the kitchen, you've got the bar counter, which will work really nice once the back patio deck is open. And in case the counter space wasn't enough for you, you've got the flip-up side table and the single basin stainless steel sink with the residential faucet. The countertops are all solid surface, which just elevates the quality in this unit. And the kitchen is definitely not lacking storage in any way. And I really like the overhead lighted cabinets because it just is another little detail that I feel like a lot of other RV companies don't really think about. On the other side of the kitchen, we've got the huge pantry. I mean, look at all this space. It's perfect for food, your extra dishes, anything you really want to put in there. And we've got the large 12-volt, 10 cubic foot fridge. Back into the living space, we've got the entertainment center with this really nice overhead storage. I like this space. I think it's perfect for your card games, your board games, your remotes, pretty much anything. You've also got the 50-inch smart TV and the electric fireplace, and look at this little hall tree. You can hang your coats, put your shoes, tie your shoes, whatever you want. In the bathroom, we've got this nice storage space, which is perfect for your towels, your washcloths, any extra toiletries you can't fit in your medicine cabinet or your under the sink cabinets. The shower is a great size for this unit, and you've got your nice little mirror. And yes, this unit does have a tankless water heater for all you long shower takers. In the bedroom, you've got your king-size bed with the overhead storage above it. There's also a very large front closet that has mirror doors that slide both ways. This is perfect for anybody that has too many clothes like me. And then this other little front closet area is where your washer dryer prep is located. The shelves are also adjustable, so really it's customizable to what you want to use the space for. You've got your under the bed storage as well as these large drawers. The bedroom also has this really nice dresser storage. Once again, for those of you who have too many clothes, like me. And I love the barn style doors. So that was the 2025 Bullitt 336 BBK. If you're interested in this unit, please give us a call at the number on the screen or visit our website at premierrv.com. And as always, thank you guys for watching.